Avocados, often hailed as a superfruit, have captured the attention of nutritionists, health enthusiasts, and culinary experts alike due to their unique flavor and impressive nutritional profile. Originally cultivated in Central America, particularly in regions that are now part of Mexico and Guatemala, the avocado has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including the Aztecs and Mayans, revered this fruit not only for its delicious taste, but also for its numerous health benefits. In fact, the Aztecs even referred to avocados as avocado, which translates to testicle, a nod to the fruit's shape, and believed it had aphrodisiac properties. As global awareness of healthy eating has surged, the avocado's popularity has skyrocketed, making it a staple in various cuisines around the world, from guacamole in Mexican dishes to avocado toast in contemporary brunch menus. Its creamy texture and rich flavor allow it to blend seamlessly into a wide range of dishes, from salads and smoothies to desserts. However, despite its acclaim and nutritional value, misconceptions about the avocado's role in weight loss persist. Some people believe that the high fat and calorie content of avocados make them unsuitable for weight management, while others embrace the fruit as a powerful ally in their dieting efforts. This dissertation aims to explore the myths and truths surrounding avocados and their potential impact on weight loss. By examining the fruit's nutritional composition, health benefits, and the science behind its effects on weight management, we will uncover the reality of whether avocados are truly conducive to weight loss. Through this exploration, we will not only celebrate the rich history and cultural significance of avocados, but also shed light on their potential as a weight loss aid, providing a nuanced understanding of how they fit into a balanced diet. Avocados are an extraordinary source of various nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Here are some of the notable health benefits of this superfruit. Rich in healthy fats. Avocados are unique among fruits in that they are high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. This type of fat has been associated with numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Monounsaturated fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, while raising good cholesterol levels, HDL, ultimately promoting cardiovascular health. Nutrient-dense composition. A medium avocado contains a wealth of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin E, vitamin K, and several B vitamins such as folate. Potassium is crucial for maintaining fluid balance and supporting nerve and muscle function, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, while B vitamins play vital roles in energy metabolism. High in dietary fiber. One medium avocado contains about 10 grams of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber aids in maintaining regular bowel movements, promotes a healthy gut microbiome, and helps control appetite by increasing feelings of fullness. A fiber-rich diet has also been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Supports heart health. The unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants found in avocados contributes to heart health. Research indicates that individuals who consume avocados regularly have lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. The high potassium content also helps regulate blood pressure, another crucial factor in cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants. Avocados are packed with antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are particularly beneficial for our health. These compounds help protect the eyes from harmful light exposure and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Enhances nutrient absorption. The healthy fats present in avocados improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods. This means that adding avocado to salads or vegetable dishes can enhance the nutritional value of those meals, allowing the body to benefit more from the vitamins present in other ingredients. Mood and mental health benefits. The nutrients found in avocados, including omega-3 fatty acids and folate, support brain health and may positively impact mood and mental well-being. Adequate folate intake has been associated with a lower risk of depression, while omega-3 fatty acids are known to support cognitive function. Strengthens bones. Avocados contain vitamin K, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are vital for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, helping to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Supports immune function. The antioxidants and vitamins in avocados help bolster the immune system, enabling the body to fight off infections and illnesses. This immune support is particularly important during flu season or times of increased stress. Reduces inflammation. Avocados possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like avocados can contribute to overall health and well-being. Enhances athletic performance. The nutrient composition of avocados provides sustained energy and supports muscle recovery, making them beneficial for athletes and active individuals. The potassium content helps regulate fluid balance during exercise, while the healthy fats provide a source of long-lasting energy. Promotes gut health. The high fiber content in avocados promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. A balanced gut microbiome contributes to improved nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. Beneficial during pregnancy. Avocados are an excellent source of folate, a crucial nutrient during pregnancy that supports fetal development and reduces the risk of neural tube defects. Incorporating avocados into a pregnant woman's diet can help ensure the healthy growth and development of the baby. May reduce cancer risk. Preliminary studies suggest that avocados may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. The high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties are believed to play a role in this protective effect, although more research is needed to establish definitive links. Supports weight loss goals. The unique nutrient composition of avocados makes them beneficial for weight loss. The combination of healthy fats and fiber promotes satiety, helping individuals control their appetite and reduce overall caloric intake. Unlike many high-carbohydrate foods that can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, avocados provide sustained energy and may help stabilize blood sugar levels. The potential role of avocados in weight management has been a topic of considerable interest. One common myth is that avocados are too high in calories to be included in a weight loss diet. While it is true that avocados are calorie-dense due to their fat content, it is essential to consider the quality of the calories consumed. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help individuals feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Research has shown that individuals who regularly consume avocados tend to have healthier body weights and lower body fat percentages. Incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can be a strategic approach to achieving weight loss goals. Their versatility allows for creative culinary applications, from salads and smoothies to spreads and toppings. For those looking to lose weight, adding half an avocado to meals can provide health benefits without excessive caloric intake. It is crucial to practice portion control, ensuring that caloric intake aligns with individual weight loss goals. In summary, the numerous health benefits of avocados make them an ideal component of a weight loss strategy. Their unique combination of nutrients promotes satiety, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and enhances overall health, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Avocados have surged in popularity in recent years, often celebrated for their creamy texture, rich flavor, and numerous health benefits. These green fruits are packed with nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Here are 30 diverse and delicious ways to consume avocados, ranging from classic dishes to creative innovations. Guacamole, the quintessential avocado dish. Guacamole is a flavorful dip made by mashing ripe avocados with lime juice, salt, diced tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. Serve it with tortilla chips or as a topping for tacos. Avocado toast, a trendy breakfast option. Avocado toast involves mashing or slicing avocado onto toasted bread. Top it with ingredients like poached eggs, cherry tomatoes, radishes, or feta cheese for added flavor. Salads. Avocado adds creaminess to salads. Dice it and toss it in with mixed greens, cucumbers, and nuts for a refreshing and filling meal. It pairs well with citrus dressings. Smoothies. Blend avocado into smoothies for a creamy texture and added nutrients. Combine it with spinach, banana, and almond milk for a nutritious breakfast drink. Avocado hummus. Substitute some or all of the tahini in traditional hummus with avocado for a rich twist. This dip is great with pita bread, crackers, or vegetables. Sushi rolls. Avocado is a popular ingredient in sushi, adding creaminess to rolls. Try it in California rolls or with cucumber and crab. Avocado pasta. Blend avocado with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil to create a creamy pasta sauce. Toss it with your favorite pasta and top with grated cheese. Stuffed avocados. Have an avocado and fill the center with various fillings, such as tuna salad, chicken salad, or quinoa, for a nutritious meal. Baked avocados. Bake halved avocados with an egg in the center for a hearty breakfast. Season with salt and pepper, and bake until the egg is set. Avocado soup. Blend avocado with vegetable or chicken broth, garlic, and lime juice for a refreshing cold soup. Garnish with fresh herbs and diced vegetables. Avocado pizza. Use slices of avocado as a topping on pizza. It pairs well with other ingredients like tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil for a fresh flavor. Avocado ice cream. Blend avocados with coconut milk, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Then freeze for a creamy, dairy-free ice cream alternative. Avocado smoothie bowls. Create a smoothie bowl by blending avocado with frozen fruits and yogurt. Then top it with granola, seeds, and fresh fruit for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Avocado sandwiches. Add sliced avocado to sandwiches or wraps for a creamy texture. It pairs well with turkey, chicken, or vegetarian fillings. Avocado and egg salad. Mix diced avocado with hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and seasonings for a creamy egg salad. Serve it on bread or lettuce. Avocado dips. Make a variety of dips by mixing avocado with other ingredients, such as yogurt, herbs, and spices. Experiment with flavors like garlic, cilantro, or chipotle. Avocado dressing. Blend avocado with olive oil, vinegar, and spices to create a creamy salad dressing. This can enhance any salad with a healthy twist. Avocado tacos. Use avocado slices or guacamole as a filling for tacos. Top with your choice of proteins and fresh vegetables for a satisfying meal. Avocado fries. Slice avocado into wedges, coat with breadcrumbs, and bake or fry until crispy. Serve with a dipping sauce for a unique appetizer. Avocado quesadillas. Fill tortillas with avocado, cheese, and other fillings like beans or chicken. Then grill until crispy for a delicious quesadilla. Avocado mousse. Blend ripe avocados with cocoa powder, sweetener, and vanilla for a rich chocolate mousse that's healthy and satisfying. Avocado baked eggs. Similar to baked avocados, you can add various toppings to the eggs before baking, such as cheese, salsa, or herbs for extra flavor. Avocado pancakes. Incorporate mashed avocado into pancake batter for a nutrient-dense twist on the classic breakfast favorite. Avocado rice bowl. Top brown rice or quinoa with avocado, beans, vegetables, and a protein of choice for a wholesome bowl meal. Avocado and cheese board. Include sliced avocado on a cheese board, pairing it with different cheeses, nuts, and fruits for an elegant appetizer. Avocado bread pudding. Use avocado in a bread pudding recipe to create a creamy texture, adding sweet flavors like cinnamon and vanilla. Avocado salsa. Create a fresh salsa by combining diced avocado with tomatoes, onions, lime juice, and cilantro. This is perfect as a topping for grilled meats. Avocado chips. Slice avocados thinly, season, and dehydrate or bake them to make crispy avocado chips, a healthy snack alternative. Avocado chia pudding. Mix mashed avocado into chia seed pudding for added creaminess. Top with fruits and nuts for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Avocado frittata. Incorporate avocado into a frittata with eggs, vegetables, and cheese for a delicious and filling meal any time of day. Avocados are a versatile fruit that can enhance both sweet and savory dishes. Their creamy texture and rich flavor allow them to be used in a variety of culinary creations, providing both taste and nutrition. Whether you enjoy them in classic dishes like guacamole or explore innovative uses such as avocado mousse, there are countless ways to incorporate this superfood into your diet. Embrace the avocado and enjoy its many benefits. Avocados are not merely a trendy superfood. They are a powerhouse of nutrition that can significantly contribute to overall health and support weight loss efforts. Their rich composition of healthy fats, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals makes them a versatile and valuable addition to a balanced diet. By debunking the myths surrounding avocados and highlighting their true nutritional value, individuals can make informed dietary choices that align with their health and weight management goals. The historical and cultural significance of avocados cannot be overlooked. From their origins in ancient Mesoamerica to their current status as a global culinary staple, avocados have played a vital role in various cuisines and cultures. They offer a unique blend of flavors and textures that can elevate dishes while simultaneously contributing to improved health outcomes. As the scientific understanding of the health benefits of avocados continues to evolve, it is clear that this fruit deserves a prominent place in our diets. Ultimately, incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can be a delicious and effective strategy for weight management and overall health. By embracing the truths about avocados, individuals can enjoy their rich flavor and health benefits while confidently working toward their weight loss goals. With ongoing research illuminating the role of avocados in nutrition and health, we can look forward to continued interest in this remarkable fruit, ensuring that it remains a staple in our diets for years to come. As we move forward, it is essential to continue educating ourselves and others about the role of avocados in nutrition, combating misinformation, and celebrating their numerous benefits. By doing so, we empower individuals to make healthier choices that contribute to their well-being. Whether in a smoothie, salad, or as a spread, avocados can serve as a key ingredient in a balanced diet that not only promotes weight loss, but also enhances overall health, making them a true superfood in every sense of the word.